Sachi Hawaii's Damon Reese here, and aloha! Welcome to this week's 60-second open house. Today's open house features a stunning and completely remodeled home perched on Lower Waialae Iki with sweeping panoramic ocean, cocoa head, and diamond head views. This beautifully maintained 3-bedroom home has 2,234 square feet of indoor living space with over 30 feet of sliding glass doors looking out over the ocean. It also features a large front lanai for the ultimate in indoor-outdoor living lifestyle. Come check it out with me! Though having a bird's eye view of the ocean, it is actually low enough on Waialae Iki Ridge for both convenience and to actually hear the sound of the gentle breaking ocean surf in the distance. If you have any questions about this neighborhood and this home in particular, please do not hesitate to give me, Damon Reese, a call. And aloha!